You said this 5 minutes ago. And the AI still remembers it. That feels like memory. But it isn't. This is the illusion. And it's convincing. So what's really happening? Let's slow it down. And look closer. Because AI doesn't remember. Not the way you do. Let's investigate. I'm Logic. I investigate how systems work. Especially the ones that feel intelligent. Today's case is memory. Or what looks like memory in artificial intelligence. Because something important is happening. Every time you type, every time you ask a question, the AI seems to remember. But that memory is fragile and temporary. AI does not store conversations. It doesn't save them like files. Instead, it reads everything again. All at once. Your previous messages, your current question, even system instructions. All of it is combined. This combined text is called context. Full. Context is not memory. It is input. And it disappears later. AI can't read forever. There is a limit. A boundary. This boundary is called the context window. Inside the window, everything is visible. Outside the window, nothing exists. Older messages slowly fall out. Not because they're wrong, but because space is limited.
That limit matters.
Context isn't measured in messages.
Tokens. It's measured in tokens. Tokens are pieces of text. Words. Parts of words. Even punctuation. Every token takes up space. As you keep talking, the space fills. Eventually, something has to go.
And it's usually the oldest token that has to go.
This is why AI forgets. Not randomly. Not emotionally. But mechanically.
New context replaces old context.
The window slides forward. Nothing is stored. Nothing is recalled. It's always rereading. Again.
And again. From scratch.
So AI doesn't remember. It reprocesses.
Every time you speak. That's the trick. And the limitation. Context feels like memory. But it isn't. It's temporary, fragile, and expensive. Next case.